Hey YouTube, Desert Night Guru. And I had to put this on tape because I don't think anybody would believe it, but we live in the desert and it rains maybe once a year. And I think the skies opened up today for everybody. Check out this rain. I saw somebody else videotape the rain. I think it was in Texas. This is like Texas type of rain. Is this crazy? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hey YouTube, Desert Knife Guru, and I'm back on a rainy day. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the LokSak and I'm going to put my flip video camera in there and put it outside. Let it videotape a little bit, and let's see how waterproof these bags really are. So hang on, we'll be right back. Hey YouTube, Desert Knife Guru. I'm back. I use this size LokSak, if you can see that or not. This is the 36 cubic inch bag, and I filmed outside in the rain, and camera stayed dry. Rain was coming pretty good. I videotaped it right off the roof line, so it was coming down pretty good. Here's some other size LokSaks that they make, just to show you. These are waterproof, airtight bags. This is the largest one I believe they have. This one here is their LokSak, which is a little different. This one is a odor-proof barrier, something that you probably want to put your food and stuff in when you're back country, so animals don't smell it. Keep it safe. Keep you safe. Here's just a brochure from them. LokSak. The website is, if you can see, that's probably blurry, LokSak.com. Great customer service. I did the stupid thing of leaving some of these bags in my vehicle during the summer. It does state specifically not to leave it in any extreme temperature. The bags got kind of funky, and all my fault. But I gave them a call and talked to a nice lady there, and she was nice enough to send me out some samples of some other sizes, and also to replace the ones that I damaged. Super nice lady. So definitely check out the website, LokSak.com. Waterproof dry bags. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but these bags have been approved by Navy Experimental Diving Unit. You can see with the light. But just a great product. Any questions? Let me know. And have a good day. Thanks.